What are we gonna do today? Well, you guys know I have this. I have the other two blade shapes. So you guys know what time it is. Turn down the volume. Here comes a little bit of music. So I apologize, you guys aren't getting a fast 5. This is going to be a relatively short video. Couple of reasons. One, I'm sick and I'm on antibiotics and did not feel like filming a full fast 5, but I will try to get back to those. Another reason is I had a bunch of stuff to do and I have to make this quick. So we are real quickly going to take a look at all three blade shapes of the Exo and take a look at them individually. They are fun. All of them are fun and fidgety. I have the Tonto. I have the double edge. The double edge one's going to be a little bit of fun. And I have my original drop point version. I love them all. Are they a useful knife? Probably not. Are they something you're going to be able to carry day to day? Probably not. Are they more fun than they absolutely should be? Yeah, they definitely are. So no further ado, guys, let's turn this around and look at them from above. All right, guys, as you've already seen, I own the drop point version of the Reate Exo, and I'm not going to lie to you, this is an incredibly nice blade. I would buy this exact blade in another knife that was not the gravity knife, because I feel that this is a really useful blade shape. It is a great knife. It's just in a format that, like, it limits the things I can do. Like, I like to get up close and do some work and stuff like that. So not to get in the limitations. So this is my personal one. All of these are done in titanium and micarta. They're just all a little bit different. They are all They are all serialized, since Mike can't talk. They are very nice looking knives. Now this one is unique. Matthew bought this one when you couldn't really get them anywhere. These were being done by a guy, I can't remember who it was that did it, but he anodized all this. He dyed the micarta blue. You guys aren't able to see how beautiful this is. So this is the double edged, and then this one is the newest version, which is the Tonto. When they first came out, when I got mine, you could only get these two. Now, the drop point, in my opinion, is still my favorite. If you're going to use this knife, this is probably the most functional blade shape, and it is a very attractive blade shape. It's got the drop point edge, it's got the swedge on the back, it's got a nice swept blade, and it comes down nice and thin, and I'm not going to lie, this is extremely sharp. Like I said, would buy this knife if it was in a different version as well, just because I like this blade. Really nice and useful. These are long bladed knives though. These are coming in just at about 9 inches on the mat. I'll probably right here look up the actual blade or actual open length and put it there, the overall length. So what they've done is they've come out with some different versions. Now this one, like I said, this is the double-edged version, and it's not a true double-edged. It's more of a bayonet with a sharpened back edge, and I'm not gonna lie, it is very sharp. I just don't like this one as much as the drop point version. I think it's a very good knife. Hang on a second, garbage truck's coming. So like I was saying, I just don't like this blade shape as much. It's still attractive, and I mean, Matt's thought process on it was, if I'm gonna buy something that's illegal, I may as well go fully legal and go with the double edged. So you can, like I said, you can see this was aftermarket anode, and it is beautiful. It's got some finger oils and stuff. You can see much clearer underneath where it hasn't been handled and stuff, how it looks. Now the cool thing about these, and we'll talk about it in a second, is that these blades are interchangeable, and I'll explain to you what I mean. You can do it really easy. You can see this has already been done because this one's been apart. So this is the Tonto version. Now this one's done in black micarta and titanium, and this one is, apparently this is like a limited edition run. This is one of 2022. Oh, okay, no, I'm sorry. This is what happens when I don't have my reading glasses on. So serial number 158, and it was made January of 2022. So Reate has come out with these. Now this blade shape is a very, very well done Tonto blade. I would have to say this would come in second on the list for me. Now, the cool thing about these is if you happen to have one and you have one that is cooler like this, you can actually swap this, or if you've anodized one in a certain fashion and you own more than one, these blades are really easy to swap out. All you do is take this off, take it out, and the whole blade comes out. This is a two-piece thing. Just pop that out and you can slide the entire blade out of the handle. It is kind of cool that they are modular like that. Now, there is a fourth version of this knife that you're not seeing. Well, there's more than that. They're doing multiple versions. I know that just in this one, you can get one that has the black flats with the satin grind and black G10. This one happens to be in black micarta. This one is in tan micarta. There's also a Tonto version that's coming exclusively for Crane's Cutlery that does not have an inlay and has speed holes in it. But all in all, they're all really attractive. I kind of just wanted to show you these. Go check out Crane's Cutlery. They're going to have their exclusive here before too long. And like I said, if you just want something that's fun and fidgety, and I'm not going to lie, these things are about as much fun as you're going to have. I like to say I don't fidget with a lot of my folding knives, even as much as I like this one. I try not to fidget with these. I know that the more I fidget with a knife that I like, the life expectancy of that knife is being reduced. The thing with these is it's not. This is fidgety in the way that a balisong is, or an OTF. You can fidget with this and you're not degrading that knife in any way, shape, or form. I like the fact that it is all titanium and you can do this. Now, the other thing that I was going to show you guys, I do carry mine pretty regularly. I know that people are like, oh, you can't carry it, you're not going to use it. I do carry mine a lot in this slip. I put this down inside my watch pocket, and I just stick it up there, and I carry this so it's not going to come open, and it's a lot more useful, in my opinion, carrying it with the slip than it is with the sheath. Now, don't get me wrong, this sheath is incredibly well done. If you get it the way you want it, you can have it so it's hanging down. You can see I've carried mine. I've actually gotten to where there's some shiny spots on there because it's been carried. But just around the house and stuff like that, I carry it in my pocket. I throw it in this little pocket slip and I toss it either in my front pocket, I toss it in my watch pocket. A lot of times I'll toss it in that front kangaroo pouch of a... Sorry about that, guys. I bumped the button. What I was saying is I will toss this in the kangaroo pouch of a hooded sweatshirt, which I was reaching in my pocket, and I don't know why. You guys can't see that, and that's how I bumped the remote. But these are just so much fun. They are a little pricey. They are around $200-ish. I can't remember off the top of my head. I think it was $212 is what I paid for mine. Hang on a second. I can tell you I have my receipt right here because I keep receipts on things that I purchased brand new, and I paid, because it has my personal phone number on it, I paid $277 for these. So you're coming up on close on $300 for a fidgety kind of thing. But I'm not gonna lie to you, it's so well made, and the enjoyment that I've gotten out of it, that $277 was well worth every penny of it. I had originally thought that I was gonna get one of these and I was gonna have it on the channel, and then I was just gonna get rid of it. And I'm pretty sure I'm keeping mine. Tino likes his enough that he bought this one, and then he bought this one, and he has a couple that he's doing as gifts. I guess he got a bonus. But they are great. They're well designed, well made, and they're a lot of fun. So if you're in the market for one, just go check them out. They're a lot of fun. Like I said, go check out Crane's Cutlery and see if they've got a model you like. That would be my preferred vendor, mainly because Andy's been so cool, and I like all the stuff. And they have a pretty good YouTube channel too. Go check them out. So there you go, guys. There was the Reate Exo Extravaganza. I think that's what I'm going to name this video. So, all right, let's turn this around and do some final thoughts. So like I said, guys, this one that Tino has, the double-bladed one, or double-edged one, I should say, has an aftermarket finish on it. It's been modified, but it's still really, really cool. And I wanted to have all three versions of the blade shapes. There's different models or different types of, some of them have black blade, black satins, and black flats and satin grinds, things like that. So a lot of different options available on these now. So Crane's Cutlery, go look at them. They have an exclusive coming that is different than all of them. So this one, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down. Please try to tell me why. I can't change the content if you don't tell me what you don't like. If you want to support the channel, it's as simple as like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. It pushes the channel further up the algorithm. But if you do want to support the channel financially, a bunch of different ways. I have the membership tabs down below. If you get in on a membership, you get early access to videos, exclusive content by tier, premium tier sharpening tutorial series, and you save $5 off per sharpening. So that makes it 20, not 25. Still cheaper than Jared. Okay, I'm just kidding. Guys, I also have affiliate links down below. If you use the affiliate links, I get a portion of the money at checkout, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. It's just their way of thanking me for bringing those things to you. And the final way is I have a merchandise store down below with a coupon code. It's on Ember Shirt Co. The coupon code works on anywhere on Ember Shirt Co. Saves you 10% at checkout, and that coupon code is CrazySharp, all one word, capital C, capital S, CrazySharp, all one word. Saves you 10% at checkout. Guys, I love y'all. Keep it clean in the comments section. It helps me moderate the channel. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And I will see you in the next video.